Alright, so anyway, how to change the batteries in a dish remote. Look at this stupid thing. It's got a zillion buttons on it. This thing's hard to get out, so what I do is I use a little screwdriver thing and kind of pop it. Of course, that's not working. The hell? Look at that. That is ridiculous. I gotta get a bigger screwdriver. Aha. All right, so I'm gonna get that baby in there and just pop it out. Ah, there we go. See that? And it's got AAA batteries in it. To get those out, you're gonna probably need this too. And you can see there's 4 of them. There's the configuration of how you're supposed to put them in. So now all we got to do is grab 4 batteries and shove them in there. I bought these on Amazon because they're the cheapest. I hate giving money to Jeff Bezos, but let's go and get 4 of these out of there. There. All right, so now we got 4 batteries. Now we got to stick them in there. So it shows that you got to slide it in this way. And then the one on top goes in there. So you can see that the positive end is forward. And you can see these kind of push. So in the next one, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to push that in there. Just like that. Bam, done. Then, just set this on there. And next time it'll come off easier, I think. I mean, that's ridiculous design. Should be easier for you to do that. So this kind of slides on like that. And then pops, and then get it off, you gotta push. And that's it. And this now should work. It was given a screen warning. So anyway, Dish, they suck.